the before. Cauliflower pizza crust. Okay guys, so I just took it out of the oven. Doesn't it look amazing? And you can see that underneath it's nice and crispy. And what I decided to do was I just put it on broil for about 3 minutes, just so that it would be nice and crispy on the top. Now you can turn this over because you can see that it won't stick. It doesn't stick if you want, but I already made some grooves on the side here, so I'm going to keep it the way it is. And now I'm going to load my beautiful toppings on for the best crust. Yummy, yummy cauliflower crust that you saw was so easy. One bowl, and it's going to be super delicious. So don't forget to subscribe and comment and like Risa Weiner YouTube. First, add your sauce. Add your cheese. You can add 1, 2, 3 different kinds if you want. I'm adding some Asiago and some shredded mozzarella. Doesn't that look amazing? Next, I added some sweet jalapeno and some sun-dried tomatoes that I bought in a jar. Okay, here it is. My amazing loaded pizza on a cauliflower crust dough coming out of the oven. Doesn't that look amazing? I know, I am super excited. And I just kept it on 350 for maybe about 8 minutes. I just like the cheese nice and melted. And again, you know, it's versatile. You could add veggies to this, other veggies. I just wanted it like this. This is what I had in my fridge because I have a beautiful side dish of lots of fresh vegetables with a really easy dip. You could either use yogurt or sour cream with some onion soup mix. It's just a 2-ingredient dip. Super easy, super delicious. So I can't wait to try this amazing cauliflower pizza. And that's going to be my dinner. So I'm going to take a nice big piece and put this on my plate. So I just took a piece and I put it on my plate, and I'm going to have this for my dinner. And then I'll have extra to warm up. I can put it in my air fryer. It'll crisp right up tomorrow. I'm probably going to have the other slice as well. So Risa Weiner YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for lots and lots of healthy, delicious recipes. Here's another dinner option. I just did a video on how to make cauliflower rice and cauliflower pizza. So easy, so delicious, so versatile, and a delicious side dish or a snack with lots of veggies. And you can use yogurt or sour cream with onion soup mix. It's a 2-ingredient dip, and that's going to be my dinner. And also I have leftovers, because if you make a big or bigger portions, you'll have for a few days. And I love that, so I don't have to cook every day. So for more tips and recipes, Risa Weiner YouTube.